Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen on your Android. So if we go up to settings right here and scroll on down, we want to go to apps. And we want to find the app that controls the UI for our phone. So on Samsung, this is called One UI Home. And I think on Google Pixel, it's called like Google UI or something like that. And then on Motorola, I think it's called like Motorola UI or something. So just look for something with UI on it. So let's scroll through here. We can see One UI Home. So this is for my Samsung. I can tap this, and then I can scroll on down to storage. So let's go to where it says storage now. And I should be able to clear the data right here. If I go to clear the data, it's going to reset it. So I can clear the data. Everything is wiped. So look for something in the apps list with UI. So like if I go to my Motorola, this is turned on, I can try the same thing. So Motorola, Google Pixel, I think it will be Google UI, and Motorola, it will be like Motorola UI. And you just have to delete that. So let's go to all apps. And you could probably search for it too. Just try searching for UI. That might not show up. So we can just scroll through here, or look for home maybe too, depending on your device. Home. That's going to be Google Home. So it might be a little bit more difficult based off the device you're trying to use. So let's scroll on down. And you might have to look for Google something UI under here on your Google Pixel. Here's Moto AI Services, Moto Secure. So just look through here on your device, and you might have to be creative on the ones to delete. So Moto here, I could try deleting that too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.